What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got the 2023 BMW 330e X-Drive. Now this is BMW, the ultimate driving machine, as they so state, and this is their hybrid electric vehicle, right? This is 0 to 60 in about 5 seconds. Of course, this is 330 miles per full charge on the full tops. Right there is where you go ahead and charge it up. Of course, we got the Bridgestone tires on this thing, and these are 225 4019s. All right, we're just gonna be taking a quick walk around on this. This is the Brooklyn gray metal. I love this new color that they come out with, and of course you got the beautiful tan on the inside of it, right? Driving assist package, active driving assist. Just of course BMW safety. You can't get over the active blind spot detection, the lane departure warning. Like I said, I'm doing a quick walking around today on this M Sport package with the 19-inch wheels on it. And of course, we have to admire what BMW have done with this car, right? Now, this particular version has the heated steering wheel, the comfort access on the inside, and also the lumbar support. Now, let's take a quick look on the inside because, like I said, we're just doing a quick walk around on this beautiful BMW. All right, so we got this beautiful tan leather going on the inside, all of your regular controls. We got the M right here, the state is an M package. And of course, we got the beautiful, look at that, nice, neat. Now, over here, we got the heated steering wheel. We do have the comfort access keyless entry system. We do have the lumbar support on the driver's side. And we do have heated front seats for everything, right? Now, we do also have the BMW display right there, which is a curved display if you look at the top going all the way around. And of course, we do have the CarPlay from Android and Apple. All right, so we'll just come in here and start this thing up, and then look at the beautiful display on this thing rolling all the way across. And like I said before, as you look up right ahead, you can see it tells you everything on the heads-up display, as I mentioned earlier. Now let's take a quick look at the roof. We'll just roll the sunroof back. Look how beautiful that is. And as we go all the way back, we'll just look at the rear seat and see how nice that is back there. Now we got the sports boost, we got the 8-speed automatic transmission. We do have the adaptive suspension also, and we have the variable sports steering. Now also there's a 60/40 going on right here that folds in the rear of this. So that is really, really nice. And of course you got the active guard, the parking assist, and you can't forget you got the Harman Kardon speakers, right? So you do have a few of those inside this also. All right, so let's go around, close that back up, and we'll just take a quick look in the trunk area of this thing. You do have the rear camera right there. This beautiful 2023 BMW 330e. And yeah, just down here is one more. And that's it. That's it, guys. Want to do a quick walk around, take a quick look at this beautiful BMW 330e X-Drive. All right, catch you on the next one.